Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model GG0061S in color code 001. It's a gold black color frame. On the temples here we have a Gucci emblem in gold. And at the temple tip, we have a gold bumblebee logo. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Japan. It also is the same on the other side of the temple. The lenses are a gray gradient color. And in the top right lens, it has a Gucci logo engraved. The style of the frame is round. Up here we have a Gucci case to put your glasses in, a pouch, a cleaning cloth, an authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.